So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is a part 2 on brother MFC 3720 printer. Today I'm going to show how to repair AF problem in brother MFC A3 printers. How to repair it. So watch this video completely, and if you're new, please subscribe my channel. And guys, also please press the like button for supporting me. So let's start to how to repair this. Hello guys, this is a part 2 for MFC 3720. So in previous video I show how to fix this blank problem in printer. So now you see this place perfect working. And guys, now I fix this scanner problem. If I see sound from this, so how to fix it? So guys, turn it off printer and open this panel like that. And guys, remove this cable and clean, like if you watch previous video I clean also this cable, same to same, clean this also cable. If you watch previous video I clean this cable for blank problem. So guys, same you need to clean this cable also. You see some carbon inside, see some carbon. So I clean using a IPA for cleaning. So guys, I mount this camera here. So this is the cable and this toothbrush. Now I clean this cable. Clean this and so guys, I clean this, and now I have to install in printer board. You see guys, perfect fit. Now again, turn on printer. So you see guys, there is no error or sound. Only a cartridge error. I will fix it. You see, I have no error, only a black cartridge because ink is low. You see, so scanner is perfect working. If scanner is not working, you firstly hear a sound, writing sound. So this is the solution guys. Clean this. If still not fixed, you need to cut this cable. So guys, if you're going to not solve AF error still showing and sound from Canon scanner, so guys, I already uploaded a video. So another video, so upside you see I button, click on this. So watch this video. 100% sure scanner problem will be fixed in your printer. All of the other printer have same cable like this. So guys, watch it, and that's it. So that's it guys, this is show how can repair AF fault in brother MFC 3720. So try on your printer. If still not solved, so comment down, I will reply your comment. And guys, also please subscribe my channel, and also please press the like button if you want to support me. So that's it. So yeah, this is Shivan Sharma signing off. We'll be back with a new video and a new part with a new solution. So guys, goodbye, take care, and bye bye. Peace out.
Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.